in view of your ruling or communication, I want to submit that since I did my first letter to you on the 6th of April, 2023, communicating the removal of the Honorable Sabina Chege, which has now been affirmed by the courts and by the Speaker, that the Speaker finds that for the time between the period between the 6th of April...
Honorable members, I can barely hear what the Honorable Mwenje. I know it's now a time for your exuberance and excitement, but allow your leader to address the chair.
There's even really no need for excitement. But let me say this, that my submission is that for the period between the 6th of April, 2023, when I first wrote to your office concerning the changes, and today, the 25th of October, our position as a coalition is that the Honorable Sabina Chege has been holding that office illegally. And therefore, whatever benefits, let me complete. Because my second leg, the second limb of this application is that the Honorable Mark Mwenje has, in the opinion of the coalition, been working since the 30th of May, 2023. And therefore, the Honorable Mark Mwenje deserves to be compensated appropriately for the work he has been doing since that time, to date, and facilitated. That is my point, Mr. Speaker.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Order, honorable members. Yes, Majority Leader.